Ciudad Daimalo, Avenida de Marciano, Baptista. Avenida de Marciano, Baptista. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Avenida de Marciano, Baptista. Going down Avenida de Marciano, Baptista. Checking out Avenida de Marciano, Baptista. Just walking the streets of Macau. Oh, oh, I'm just walking the streets of Macau. Looking around the streets of Macau. Oh, oh.
Okay, this street is called Avenida de Marciano Baptista. We're underneath a underpass, and then this particular street we'll be following this kind of stuff, and this one there's some interesting stuff inside. I'll talk about that in a little bit. China consulate is right here. There's also a bathroom here called the Lotus Plaza public toilet because the lotus leaf is over there. So we're going to be kind of highlighting this street and kind of showing you what it looks like. Sands Casino. And the Macau ferry is over there for the outer harbor. Let's put it up on a map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so there's Avenida de Marciano Baptista. Baptista is like Baptist, so it's some kind of religious connotation. Marciano, I'm not 100% sure. Let's just kind of walk this way a little bit. That's the Sands Casino, the Artisan Hotel, and this is Friendship Avenue, it's called. And then this is kind of a series of interesting stuff. There's a spa right here. Our target street is right here, so we're gonna keep to our target street. Way up at the top you can see Gia Lighthouse, so that's at the top there. It's one of the oldest lighthouses in China and Asia, I believe, by default as well. I think it's yeah, the history goes back quite a ways. I think this is a residential place, and there's also a mix of like commercial properties in here too, so we'll see if we can get into those a little bit. It's a sunny day in January. And let me see, in this part of Macau there are these I'll show you in the sign up here. There's a Golden Dragon Casino or hotel, and there's our target sign again, Avenida de Marciano Baptista. So in this area, some of these little side streets, so we're gonna take it because I think it'll be worth filming as well. You can buy all these feel like kind of like stuff that's popular for tourists. Macau. Golden Phoenix. I think let's go. We're gonna keep on walking down. I don't know what Golden Phoenix is. Here's a sushi restaurant. This looks kind of new. Huh. It says Sushita. Okay. Huh. So this is all part of our street as well. Oh, okay. Here's some karaoke bars. So I think this might be kind of a nightlife district. So that will actually turn into something different. I think this is all part of our street as well. Over there, there's kind of these dodgy places. It's like some sex shops and different stuff like that. Kind of feel like we should walk over there a little bit. And I think we're still on our Target Street right now behind us. And then this street, these shops over here, there's like little questionable stuff basically. There's like sex shops, there's another Magic 6 bar and karaoke. There's kind of targets to the like mainland Chinese audience. Like, yeah, karaoke's, whiskey, Hennessy, stuff like that. I guess you could target to anybody, but predominantly this is near the ferry, and the ferry brings in people from China. But this is kind of interesting because they have all these different languages: Thai, Vietnamese, Russian, Hennessy, karaoke. Huh, okay. I've never been in here, never been into these, so I don't really know. I think this is a fish restaurant right here. Okay. I think that one was a Chinese restaurant and this is like a sushi one. So let's get into the shade a little bit. It's so bright today. Then we'll go back to, oh, that's actually a sauna. Golden Phoenix Sauna is that one. So yeah, this area does have saunas as well. So saunas, nightclubs. Here's some of the Sands Casino, Artisan Hotel. We saw those. That's a lotus flower right there. And then we'll just kind of keep on walking down this way a little bit. Marbob, I think that one is, this is kind of a chain, so you'll see it lots of different places. So they'll have a lot of this clothing that it's pretty popular in mainland China, so they'll come and buy this stuff. Lucky Horse 2026. It's like those designs. When I go to the casinos, if I go into those, I'll see like that attire sometimes. So that's our Target Street. And we're gonna keep on going down. There's a Gia Lighthouse up that way. This way is our cross street. And then this is still our Target Street right here. Marciano, Baptista. And then I think this one, I think I might not go all the way down because this is China Consulate. Don't know what that is exactly. There's Macau, China flag, and there's a lighthouse up there. So I think that's a pretty good ending. Let's just go back across here, and then I'm gonna end over at the Lotus Flower. Oh, I think this is the oh, there's a sculpture park that's not too far from here. Oops. So we're gonna go all the way down to that park, and then we're gonna end the video. So okay, so that's another slice of Macau, and then this lotus leaf is kind of like the emblem of Macau right there. You see all these palm trees as well all the way down. Then this Sands Casino right there, and then I think these are all residential, and they'll go all the way down to the Macau side. And then you have all the tourists coming in, so we'll kind of follow that. And I guess they come in and take pictures of this giant lotus flower here. And I guess we'll end our video there. So there you go. That's Macau. Kind of a tourist area.